yeah.
Dude, I love how we're all getting this on video.
Wesley.
Land on your butt.
Something.
Land on your butt.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Where you going?
He's gonna do it again.
Oh
Brady, would you do that?
Never in my life would
I
I.
want to see him bounce out.
You're like, that's what I thought he was gonna do.
I thought he was gonna like bounce up and like fly over.
Land on your butt.
Oh, I think that's enough.
Oh, I can do it. I want to bounce.
Danny's calling
I
you.
don't care about
Do a cannibal.
No, that's the dumbest idea ever.
Yeah.
You could really hurt yourself.
Yeah.
You've
You
been-
like break your like neck or something. It's crazy.
I don't know what to do. I want to bounce, but I'm scared.
Go on your back.
That might be a bad idea.
Like if you mess up.
Oh yeah.
Get a close up. Come on. Get a close up.
Hey, but I don't know how to make myself bounce.
You jump onto it and let yourself go up.
Oh!
I can't do it. I'll like kill myself.